Today I'm making an amazing cheesy flatbread with a completely new flavor, because we'll be adding an unusual type of cheese. First, crack 1 egg into a deep bowl. It's easier to mix this way. Add 160 ml of kefir or buttermilk. Add 1/3 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and the remaining half teaspoon we'll add at the end. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt or adjust to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar caramelizes during cooking and helps give the flatbread a beautiful golden color. It also slightly affects the gluten, making the dough softer and more elastic. Mix everything well with a regular whisk. Now add 150 grams of cheese. Instead of mozzarella, I'm using cheddar with a bright color and rich taste. Red pesto usually contains sun-dried tomatoes, paprika, red pepper, and sometimes chili. That's what gives this cheese its rich color. But you can use any cheese you like. Add 100 to 120 grams of sifted flour and mix until the batter is smooth, with no lumps. At the very end, pour in 30 grams of melted butter and add that remaining half teaspoon of baking soda. Place a pan on the stove to preheat and lightly grease it with neutral vegetable oil. Pour the butter into the pan and spread it out evenly. My pan is 24 centimeters in diameter. I'm using an electric stove. I set it to 4 out of 10. Cover with a lid and cook for 10 minutes. Time flies. Place a plate on top and flip the flatbread over. This is what it looks like, beautifully golden and crispy on one side. Adjust the edges if needed, cover again and cook for another 10 minutes. Inside it's perfectly cooked, looks beautiful, and is ready to come off the pan. Cooking time will depend on the thickness of your flatbread, so keep an eye on it. Let it cool just a little. The aroma is heavenly. If you love cheese, you simply must make this flatbread. I'm sure you'll fall in love with it. The flatbread turned out incredibly tender, aromatic, and wonderfully warm. The kind you want to eat slowly, enjoying every soft, flavorful bite. It's simple yet unbelievably delicious, with a bright, unusual color. I wish you a wonderful meal. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos, they are also delicious. See you next time. Bye bye!